Every time I remember this story, I continue to persist and I stop caring about my circumstances. This is something that I shared with my one-on-one coaching client today, and it even inspired me. Before we get into the video, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love to have you here. I also want to thank today's sponsor, Psychic Source. Psychic Source is the oldest and most trusted psychic service in the industry, with over 35 years of experience helping people find clarity through professional, ethical readings. You can connect with their gifted advisors by phone, video, or text. I connected with Eleanor. She immediately picked up the long-lasting relationship that I have with Stan, even mentioning a proposal within the next 6 months, which feels incredibly aligned. Setting up my account on their website was super easy. They have this quick little quiz that helps you find a psychic based on what you're looking for, whether it's love, past lives, energy readings, or whatever. It made the whole process feel really personal and intentional. You can connect through your phone, video, chat, or even text messages, whatever makes you feel the most comfortable. And they back up everything with a no-risk guarantee. If you're not happy with your last paid reading, it's free. If you want guidance on love, career, or your next big step, I highly recommend Psychic Source. Go to this link that you are seeing right now on the screen, or click the very first link in the description box down below to connect with an advisor. You can get up to 40 minutes for just $19.80. That is a $240 value, and you don't have to use it up all in one session. You can spread out the minutes across multiple advisors to see who you vibe best with. Plus 1% of your purchase goes to a charity that you choose with no extra cost. So just go on trypsychicsource.com/Kaminski. Now let's get into the video. Neville Goddard didn't just teach the law of assumption, he lived it. In one of his most powerful real-life manifestations, he proved the truth of his teachings by getting honorably discharged from the army during wartime, despite every single factor screaming that it was impossible. Today, we are diving into that story and what it teaches us about persistence, assumption, and why you must ignore the 3D to manifest your desires, and why it's actually so easy. In 1943, Neville Goddard was drafted into the US military army. He was 38 years old and already had a wife and a child. They didn't care. They called him to serve. He wanted out, but every official, every rule, every document said it was non-negotiable. There was no process for discharge unless you were physically or mentally unfit, and he was neither. So what did he do? He went inward. But first of all, he wanted to try out meddling with the 3D. He went to his superior and he asked if he could be discharged honorably. And the superior just told him no. And do you know what Neville Goddard said? All Neville Goddard said was, okay. And that is exactly how you should treat the 3D. When the 3D tells you no, when your SP is saying, no, I don't want to be with you, when that job is saying, no, I don't want to hire you, you simply say okay and you go inward. Neville didn't plead, he didn't beg, he just assumed. Every night before falling asleep, he imagined a letter in his hand, a letter from his wife. Joyful, celebratory, telling him how happy she was that he was finally discharged and brought back home. He read that letter in his imagination, felt the relief, felt the pride, felt the completion, and then he slept in the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Weeks passed, nothing changed in the physical, but Neville didn't even flinch. He persisted because he knew if I assume it and I don't waver, it must manifest. And sure enough, within weeks, he was called into his superior's office. Out of nowhere, for no explanation at all, the superior said that he was going to be honorably discharged. No appeals, no special process, just done. This story is not just a historical curiosity. This is the law of assumption blueprint. No matter how permanent the problem looks, no matter how many facts are stacked against you, no matter what anyone says, you do not manifest by looking at what is. You manifest by persisting in the unseen, until the unseen is seen. Circumstances do not matter. They never did. As Neville said, the world is you pushed out. So stop trying to fix the mirror. Start assuming the image that you want to see reflected and refuse to be moved. Neville Goddard didn't walk out of war to be with his wife and child out of force. He did it by living in the end, by staying in his mind palace. And you can also walk into whatever reality that you desire to be in right now. Not with force, not by meddling in the 3D, but by persistent assumption. No matter what you see, no matter how many times you're told no, the law is real. It works for you, but not if you give up on it. So with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. Don't forget to check out Psychic Source in the link in the description box down below. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.